Hello, dear friends and pensioners. All my respected friends and seniors. तो यहाँ पे दोस्तों अभी बैंक पेंशन में न्यूज़ में अभी जो हाल ही में अभी लेटेस्ट अपडेट है, दैट इज़ फ्रॉम दी ऑल इंडिया बैंक AAB पाक की तरफ से। तो उसकी दोस्तों अभी आप लोगों के साथ यहाँ पे ये वीडियो डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। यहाँ पे दोस्तों चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना और यहाँ पे वीडियो को लाइक कर देना और शेयर भी कर देना ये अपडेट। तो यहाँ पे बैंक पेंशन में अभी जो लेटेस्ट सर्कुलर आया है उसी के ऊपर ये पूरी वीडियो आपको जो भी है बेस रहेगी। जनवरी 20 का जो सर्कुलर है ऑल इंडिया बैंक पेंशनर्स एंड रिटायरीज फेडरेशन AIB पाक की तरफ से। तो आप देख सकते हैं जनवरी 20 का जो सर्कुलर है फॉर सर्कुलेशन अमंग मेंबर्स ऑफ गवर्निंग काउंसिल, स्टेट सेक्रेटरीज, स्पेशल इन्विटीज, एडवाइज एफिलेट्स एंड मेंबर्स and constituents of CBPRO. So dear comrades, subject response जो of AIB Park on pension updation sent to Deputy Chief Labour Commissioner and to Chairman IBA. We reproduce here the text of our letter written on date on above subject to Deputy Chief Labour Commissioner and to the Chairman and the IBA. The letter is self-explanatory. तो यहाँ पे ये आप देख सकते हैं ये सुप्रीता सरकार जी जो कि हमारे जनरल सेक्रेटरी हैं दोस्तों, उनकी तरफ से ये लेटर लिखा गया टू डेप्टी चीफ लेबर कमिश्नर एंड टू चेयरमैन IBA. Respected sir, subject strike notice dated 13th of January 2023 served by different constituents of United Forum of Banking Union. तो ये ऐसे दोस्तों अलग अलग वेस में लिखा गया पूरा, उसी के ऊपर ये काफ़ी लंबी वीडियो बन जाएगी यहाँ पे। तो प्लीज़ इसे एंड तक सुन लेना, या इसे थोड़ा स्किप करके सुनते रहना। जो भी अपडेट्स हैं वो यहाँ पे मैं नरेट करूँगा। तो इसमें लेटर डेटेड 17 जनवरी इशूड बाय कंसाइलेशन ऑफिसर अंडर ID Act 1947 एंड डेप्टी चीफ लेबर कमिश्नर Mumbai calling both sides for meeting on 24th of January. We have gone through the contents of both the letters under reference which had come in public domain. We feel an urgent necessity to bring the under notice fact for your kind considerations and appropriate actions. So at point number 2 of notice dated 13th of January, the demand has been written as updation of pension for past retirees. Apparently the group of words are highly confusing in as much as what is exactly meant by the word past retirees. When we go through the statement of case in connection with agenda number 2, we find that the minutes with workmen union dated 10th of December has been quote which read as under IBA is quite sympathetic to the issue, especially revision in pension for those who has retired under earlier settlement period when the emoluments were relatively lesser than at the present. तो second है the assertion that when the emoluments were relatively lesser than at present is ridiculous as every wage settlement entails increase in emoluments, therefore rendering the earlier emoluments relatively lesser. So we therefore wish to make it categorically clear that such assertion on the part of IBA is not only illegal and arbitrary but also it aims at creation of artificially classification within the similarly placed retirees who are homogeneous group and a single community. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे इंडायरेक्टली उनका क्लासिफिकेशन हो रहा है पास्ट रिटायरीज का शब्द यूज करके, और जो पहले रिटायर हुए हैं उनकी लेस अमलमेंट्स हैं. सो इट इज़ मेड abundantly clear that every pensioner who has been seen a revision of wages after his retirement is eligible for the facility of updation. So it is well settled position in many of the cases ruled by Honorable Supreme Court. So it is therefore not open to any contrary interpretation by IBA, DFS or banks. So for information of both the sides, we would like to put on record that Regulation 35(1) Appendix 1 has clearly spelled out that modalities of updation of pension. तो आपको भी पता है दोस्तों 35(1) जो हमारा है उसमें बड़ा क्लियरली मैंशनड है फॉर ऑल अपडेशन ऑफ पेंशन के रिगार्डिंग बात करी की है, उसमें जो भी मोडालिटीज है वो क्लियरली मैंशनड है. सो इन द सेड अपेंडिक्स there is a mention that the process of calculation would be made applicable for the retirees between 1/1/86 and 31st December 87, since that particular group of retirees alone was relevant and eligible at the time of implementation of Bank Employees Pension Regulations 1995. So it was implemented and eligible pensioners were given the benefit of updation. So what it is being denied during subsequent wage revisions, it may be appreciated that updation is not a one-time dispension, it is rather a continual process on every wage revision. So subsequently in the year 2003, there was amendment uh, to the pension regulation 35(1), whereby the board of public sector bank in terms of power conferred by section 19 of Banking Companies Act 1970 and with the previous sanction of the government of India in consultation with the RBI made the regulation 35(1) open-ended and after following due process of law like notifying the amendment in the Gazette of Union of India, placing the same on the floors by House of Parliament, we quote below the amended पेंशन रेगुलेशन 35(1). तो यहाँ पे जो 35(1) है उसको यहाँ पे बड़ा क्लियरली प्रॉपरली बताया गया है। वो है क्या, वो देखते हैं दोस्तों। बेसिक पेंशन एंड एडिशनल पेंशन वेरिएबल एप्लीकेबल शुड बी अपडेटेड एज पर फॉर्मूला इन अपेंडिक्स 1. It is clear direction to banks to commute and notify the formula of updation of pension at the time of each periodical wage revision as is done for government and RBI employees. So when the regulation 35(1) is so emphatic and clear, why are IBA, government and banks demonstrating an oblivion and portraying the issue of updation for past more than 30 years and denying a legitimate retiree right to senior and super senior citizens of banking industry? So during the last 30 years, a large number of pensioners who have left the world without getting the benefit of legitimate right of pension when it is being extended to government and RBI employees and pensioners. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं दोस्तों. So it is behind common comprehensive as to what is the aim and purpose of the negotiation on updation of pension when there is a clear pre-existing provision to update the pension as per amended regulation 35(1). So is it to rewrite and distort a settled issue as per the BEPR 1995, or it is to fragment the bank retirees into old, somewhat old and very old groups and so on. So दोस्तों इसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट है वो मैं थोड़ा सा नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डाल दूंगा। यहाँ पे काफ़ी दिक्कत हो रही है मुझे बोलने में, तो नेक्स्ट में मैं अभी थोड़ा सा इसे प्रॉपरली आपको पढ़ के बता दूंगा क्या क्या उन्होंने एग्जैक्टली बोला है नेक्स्ट वीडियोस में। अभी डालूंगा इसके बाद नेक्स्ट दोस्तों।